When night falls, the body doesn't simply shift into rest mode. On the contrary, many systems actually begin their real work during those hours. Heart rate slows, breathing deepens, the outer world quiets, but internally, the nervous system remains active. Stress suppressed during the day, fatigue, or small neglected signals start to get processed by the body at night. In a way, this is the body's repair shift. But sometimes, this process is incomplete or inefficient. Waking up tired instead of refreshed, grinding your teeth, waking in the middle of the night and struggling to fall back asleep, or starting the day with a headache, these can all be signs that your system didn't get the support it needed overnight. In this video, we'll explore a few natural supports that help the nervous system and the body's overall repair process throughout the night. These supports don't interfere with the body's work. They quietly assist, contributing to the silent reconstruction underway. Magnesium comes first. It plays a role in muscle relaxation, healthy nerve transmission, and maintaining a balanced heart rhythm. If your body struggles to relax at night, magnesium deficiency may be the reason. Pumpkin seeds, unsweetened cacao, and avocado are all good sources and can help when consumed closer to bedtime. A low-dose magnesium supplement before bed can help prepare the nervous system for sleep. The second essential support is tryptophan. This amino acid is necessary for serotonin production and also influences nighttime melatonin levels. Milk, eggs, and walnuts are good sources of tryptophan. When consumed in small portions about an hour before bed, these foods can make it easier to fall asleep.
Another crucial element is darkness.
Melatonin can only be produced in the absence of light. So it's not just about what we eat, but also the environment in which we sleep. Each egg contains all 9 essential amino acids your body cannot produce on its own. Especially when consumed before bed, eggs provide your muscles with the raw materials they need to rebuild. But the real magic lies in the yolk. Long misunderstood, egg yolks are actually rich in vital fats and nutrients that nourish the nervous system. During nighttime repair, these natural sources continue to offer valuable support. Fermented foods come next. Besides classics like yogurt and kefir, fermented vegetables with natural apple cider vinegar, homemade pickles, or even fermented beet drinks like turnip juice also fall into this group. These foods help increase the number of beneficial bacteria in the gut, supporting the gut-brain axis. People who often experience nightmares, grind their teeth, or wake up panicked during the night tend to have stress affecting this connection. Regular consumption of fermented foods can ease the nervous system's burden at night. Another key nutrient is vitamin B6. The nervous system needs this vitamin to produce neurotransmitters. If B6 is lacking, especially during the production of serotonin and GABA, neural communication can weaken. Chickpeas, bananas, sunflower seeds, and fish are rich in B6. Though a heavy meal before bed isn't ideal, a small portion of these foods can give your nervous system the support it needs. GABA acts like the conductor of an orchestra within the nervous system. It ensures all parts play in harmony, calms exaggerated responses, and reduces internal noise. If the conductor is absent or insufficient, the orchestra, meaning your nervous system, begins to play chaotically. The result? Racing thoughts, hypersensitivity, or an inability to relax. This is why producing enough GABA is a cornerstone of a peaceful night's sleep. The liver is another system that becomes active at night. This is where silica steps in. It regulates cell membrane permeability, supports nerve transmission, and assists the body's nightly detox processes. Horsetail tea, which is high in silica, can support this process when consumed in the evening. It also has a mild diuretic effect, which can help the body feel lighter before bed. Finally, it's not just about what we eat, but the rhythm we live by. Exposure to blue light sources before bed can trick the brain into thinking it's still daytime. This stops melatonin production and disrupts the body's repair cycle. Turning off screens at least 45 minutes before sleep, drinking a glass of warm water, and, if there's no issue with blood pressure, adding a pinch of natural salt can support both the nervous system and electrolyte balance. At night, the body doesn't just sleep, it renews itself. The small supports you give during this quiet process will largely determine how you feel in the morning. The quality of your sleep affects how your day begins. And more often than not, with the right supports, your system will find its rhythm again.